Hey everyone, Brian here with the Honest Mechanic channel. Today we're delving into the world of the Manifold Absolute Pressure Sensor, better known as the MAP sensor. This little gadget is in charge of monitoring the air pressure inside your engine's intake manifold. It then reports back to the vehicle's computer. Why is this important, you ask? Well, the computer uses this air pressure reading to calculate air density and determine the engine's airflow. This is crucial for setting the proper air-fuel mixture. However, if you have a faulty MAP sensor, it will provide inaccurate data to the computer, messing up the air-fuel ratio. This can lead to a whole host of drivability and performance issues, from stalling to a loss of power and even misfiring. So, what causes a MAP sensor to fail? Most commonly, it's due to a buildup of carbon and contamination from oil blowby. This fouls the sensor over time. MAP sensors can also fail from damage, electrical issues, or just wear and tear. Alright, so how do you know if your MAP sensor is having problems? Let's discuss the most common symptoms. First up is hard starting. If your vehicle is having difficulty starting, especially when it's cold, it might be due to a faulty MAP sensor. This is because the sensor is responsible for regulating fuel delivery when starting the engine. If it's malfunctioning, it could lead to extended cranking time and difficulty getting the engine started. Next, we have stalling. A defective MAP sensor can cause the engine to stall out at idle or when coming to a stop. This happens because the computer is getting inaccurate airflow data from the sensor and can't maintain the proper idle speed. Rough idle is another symptom to look out for. If you notice your engine running unevenly or surging up and down at idle, it could be due to an improper fuel mix caused by bad MAP readings. You might also experience a loss of power. When you try to accelerate, you'll notice a sluggish response. This is because the computer relies on the MAP sensor to set optimal fuel maps for acceleration. If the data it receives is faulty, your vehicle's performance suffers. Engine knocking or pinging is another telltale sign. A bad MAP sensor can cause premature ignition or detonation because the spark timing is off. This results in knocks or pings from the engine. In some cases, a MAP sensor failure can lead to engine misfires. This happens when the air-fuel ratio is thrown off on one or more cylinders. If your check engine light comes on, it could be due to MAP-related trouble codes like P0107 or P0108 stored for a circuit issue. This indicates the computer detected a problem. A failed emission test is another symptom of a bad MAP sensor. Due to the improper air-fuel ratio, your vehicle's emissions could be outside the acceptable range. Finally, poor fuel economy could also indicate a faulty MAP sensor. Incorrect fuel trim can waste gas and significantly lower your miles per gallon. So if you're experiencing these symptoms, have your MAP sensor tested. Repair or replacement will likely be needed if it is defective. Testing the MAP sensor signal with a scan tool or multimeter can confirm if it's reading properly. If you're noticing any of the symptoms we've run through, it's essential to not overlook them. These could be signs of a faulty MAP sensor that's throwing off your car's performance and fuel efficiency. Remember, a bad MAP sensor can affect your car's emissions, potentially leading to a failed emissions test. So it's not just about performance, but also about environmental responsibility. Don't hesitate to get your MAP sensor tested. It's a simple process that can save you from a lot of headaches down the road, keeping your car running smoothly and efficiently. You can either do it yourself if you're comfortable with car mechanics, or take your vehicle to a trusted professional. I hope this gives you a better understanding of how to diagnose a bad MAP sensor. What symptoms have you noticed in your car? Comment below and let's share experiences.